Learn robotics at your home at your convenient time and have kids with you to have a constant practice. This is our unique subscription model where you rent expensive robots starting at rupees 900 per month instead of buying them. Every month you will get a new kit to learn new concepts. We teach more than 40 robotics projects across India like robotic car, JCB's robotic arm, home automation system and drones and many more. Learn entire theory and science of each robot using highly animated visuals, 3D courses and practically make robots at your home. Experts will call every week to solve your child's doubts and counsel them based on their unique interest. For each courses, there will be a Viva and written exams to track your child's development. For each course, the kid will get certificate. There will be a 100% money back guarantee if you are not happy. For subscription, you can pay online or cash on delivery when kits are delivered. So contact Manan Jambu Sharia 9558 021 233 for any doubts and query.